Well, hello, I'm Dr. Daryl Green. I am the Dean of the Langston School of Business. I'm here with Dr. Professor Golbaba. How you doing?
I'm pretty good.
You have a passion.
Oh,
I
yes,
see
I
you on the-
do.
what is your passion? Can you talk a little about your passion?
My passion started back in 2016 when I started teaching at DeConner Correctional Center. And because I feel that this is a segment of society that they need more help than anybody else outside. And that's my passion, and I hope that I will be able to, through Langston University commitment, we'll be able to go ahead and graduate as many as we can. And of course, our dean, he's making a commitment to have 25 students graduating starting in 2025.
So some people believe that people don't need a second chance. If you're incarcerated, you need to stay in there. And what would you say? What they say those people are not. They don't care about themselves. They don't have any goals. What do you say to that?
For those people that they have that kind of ideas, I would suggest they go ahead and spend one day and
Oh, wow.
and see these individuals at the prison, the environment. There are a number of them that are great people. Of course, you have some
Yeah,
criminals
sure,
among it.
sure.
There's no question about it. But in reality, those students that I have or we have in Langston University, they are the greatest students I can find.
Amen.
But for a couple of reasons. One, I have not seen any of my students get in trouble since 2016.
Oh, wow.
But it shows that they see the future. They don't want to make a trouble, about nothing. It's been at least number of riots, a number of things, but nothing among our students got involved.
Well, talk a little bit about the adult completion program in the Tulsa area. Where exactly is it? And can you talk a little bit specifically about where it is and normally how many students you interface with in a year?
DeConner Correctional Center is about 45 to 50 miles north of downtown Tulsa.
Okay.
And is about 5 miles north of Hominy, which is the closest city you can get. And in the School of Business, student of business major, we have about somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 to 30 at this time.
Okay.
About 20 of them are supposed to graduate within 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
So through you, we are able to make a commitment in order to have enough courses offered so you'll be able to graduate. Remember, these are not our customers, these are our product.
Yeah.
What we want to do, make sure that they are marketable. So when they get out, they be a member of society, that they can self-sufficient, so they don't come back to prison. That's the reason behind our program.
So I'm going to say Professor Golbaba is Superman in Tulsa, but in our business school, he is the only representative. So he has to teach some classes. What are you looking for? We need some passionate focus and expertise. What kind of adjuncts? We're looking for adjuncts. What kind of adjuncts
We
looking for?
would love to have someone first be able to go and actually physically go to prison, travel. Typically it's one day, classes start at 8:30, ends at 3 o'clock, and typically you're supposed to have a degree, a master's degree, MBA, or a master in accounting or anything.
So what kind of courses would that person teach?
We have anything from accounting, financial accounting,
What's the
medical accounting.
most critical need? Give me the critical needs.
Critical need is statistics,
Statistics.
POM, which is some places they call advanced statistics, business finance, and business law. And these are the classes that we need someone to teach.
Okay, and what you could say would be three main traits of a successful professor teaching in a prison environment? What kind of characteristics would you think they
You have to be passionate. You have to be internally desired to help people.
Okay.
And also you have to remember, always I said to my student at prison, when I die, they put me 8 foot under, 8 foot under, I can, whoever is gonna ask me, I can say at least one thing that I did in my life that it has to be in my CV, which is coming to prison. Because when the prisoner get out of the prison and the first phone call that they make to Professor Golbaba and say, what is next? To me, that has a value. That's the thing that we are looking for. People at prison look up to you. We are not going to teach him about, yes, we're going to teach about accounting, statistics, and all of that, but we're going to teach them about life. About, again, if you talked about these days, this morning about financial literacy and how they can manage their lives. So a combination of those, they're going to make them successful. And they're not going to be burdened on taxpayers.
So again, at Langston, we're trying to change lives. People like Professor Golbaba, who's passionate, who really care about students, whether they're outside of prison or in prison. That is really what we're trying to do. The Second Chance Pell Grant is a wonderful opportunity. It's a great way that the state of Oklahoma, the federal sectors are really trying to remap the lives of others.
I have an example of it here, which is, this is one of our students, Corey Moore, that, he's been in prison, for a number of years. He got out of prison last year, and now he was pitching at the baseball game and with Channel 8 in Tulsa, and now he works, at Tulsa Transit. This is what we are looking forward to do for other students, to be able to go ahead be a productive in society.
So we're gonna wrap it up again. We don't just talk action. Looking at Professor Golbaba and the rest of the adjuncts and faculty, we're into results. If you want results, please contact us. Again, I am Dr. Daryl Green, the Dean of the prestigious Langston Business School. Have a wonderful and blessed day.
Have a great one.